raining a lot, and hello everyone, what's up? It's snowing today in Calgary and it's Sunday. Temperature is not that bad, -6 degrees Celsius. And today in this video I'm going to show you guys a walking tour of the northeast area, and you can understand how looks like the area outside of downtown. And let's start the walk. I just start my walk from 9th Street northeast. Oh, look at this. It's the fresh snow, all slippery. Just wearing my gloves. It's Sunday, so everyone has come here for breakfast. I think lunch, almost it's lunchtime. It's almost 12. So I'm showing today out of downtown so that you have an idea. So because downtown in the downtown people that much don't live, like one live for the high-rise condominium. Most of the people lived outside of the downtown. It's a bus number 19 for Sunrise. Hotel for airport travelers and even though it's not that much cold, I think it's -6 degrees Celsius. Here is the Northeast Fire Station 4. Wait for the signal. And the intersection is 19th Street Northeast and 18th Avenue Northeast. My camera is covered by snow. Oh, now it's there is a Circle K. And this side is the neighborhood, residential. It's a bus stop for 1933 and 119. Just look at the sidewalk. Which one is sidewalk? I don't know. I'm just following the footstep. Yeah, so that's the difference between downtown and outside of downtown. You can see after the snowfall or during the snowfall the city just start cleaning, and outside of the downtown, so it's going to be so late. Sometimes they don't clean. Most of the time they don't clean. It's the residential neighborhood. Even though it's snowing, it's a different feeling to walk in the snow. The early school playground is covered. So it's Sunday, and this weather, people are inside the home enjoying their Sunday.